Yeah. Two-Side Media Africa, your online hype man. I don't come again. And this time, I still talk about my people. Front and back. When I mean front and back, I mean front and back. These guys, they don't come to give on a back to back. Officer, they just bag one deal for Yankee. One promotional deal. I think say that one don't finish. After they noise one song about love. Now, Royal Beauty Queen. This Royal Beauty Queen don't flow. As I dey talk, it don't flow enter Jamaica. It don't enter London. It don't enter Yankee. Now it don't enter Niger. But for London, the thing they hot. When I mean hot, it hot like pepper soup. When I mean pepper soup, it dey hot when be say, even BET now, don't they bag, they blow the song and BET. See am now, as I dey tell you, look am here. And as I dey hear again, when I watch out, they go noise shows for O2 Arena. They go shut am down, O2 Arena. They go shut O2 Arena down. Even Indigo, they go shut Indigo down. London, get ready. Front and back is coming. Now our own person did this. Front and back, now our person. As they come London to come shut O2, they're gonna accept them. Accept front and back. London, they're gonna accept front and back. Now our people. Nigeria, accept front and back. Africa, accept front and back. Two-Side Media Africa say so. Peace.
No way, except she comes my way. Ta 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 la la. I don't believe this is natural. Then it's super normal. Tell me I'm not mad cause of her royal beauty. Then it's because I'm missing you. I'm missing. I dey missing my beauty queen, my beauty.